National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Florida.
In central South Carolina, Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Sumter County in central South Carolina, until 8 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Lee State Park to Poston, moving southwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, Manning, Bishopville, South Sumter, Shire Base, Somerton, Oakland, Mulberry, Alcoa, Woods Bay State Park, St. P. Cooper Regional Airport, Elliott, Lee State Park, Sumter County Airport, Millwood, Poinsett State Park, Turville, Maceville, Pinewood, and Lynchburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 105 and 125. Interstate 95 between mile markers 105 and 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for